Hi, I'm Aaron Graber with Ventrac. In this video, we're going to talk about the Power Bucket. The Ventrac Power Bucket is 48 inches wide and has a 6 cubic foot capacity. It's great for moving mulch, gravel, sand, or other loose debris. We also have different accessories, including bolt-on cutting teeth, mulch extensions, and a grapple. Power Bucket connects to the tractor using the front hitch arms. It also uses the auxiliary hydraulics to handle the dump function. You use the SDLA lever to control the Power Bucket by moving the main arm right to left to raise or lower, and the auxiliary arm right to left to dump. The Power Bucket is one of the most useful attachments that we offer. It's a great alternative to a traditional loader when you're working near the ground or in tight spaces. Most of what you can do with a loader, you can do with a Power Bucket, and it's a lot easier to connect to and easier to use too. Let's take a look at some tips and tricks for using the Power Bucket on a Ventrac 4500 tractor. Connecting to the Power Bucket is a simple task and can be done in less than a minute, but there is one important thing to remember. You need to make sure your hitch arms are at the right height to make it as easy as possible. To do this best, when you detach from the tractor, put the bucket in float and make sure this bottom surface is about level with the ground. You'll notice that these lift cylinders are almost completely contracted that way. If they're extended too far, these hitch arms will be too low and it'll be difficult to connect the next time. On lighter attachments like the Power Bucket, you might need to block them or put something in front so they don't slide forward as you connect to them. Another tip for getting the most out of your Power Bucket is understanding weight transfer. On 4500 tractors, the weight transfer lever is right here. There's 4 different settings, 1 through 4. On the higher settings, you transfer more weight back from the attachment to the tractor. What that actually helps you do is lift more material. Thanks for watching this video on the Power Bucket. For more information, visit our website at ventrac.com or visit your local dealer.